Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel that is still Elena. This video is all about 4th class EVS 9th chapter full workbook answers. Okay guys, so our chapter name is communication. Okay, so just listen carefully, pause the video and write it down each and every bit. Okay, without any spelling mistakes. Okay, let's start guys. So first of all we have given glossary, which means meanings or else synonyms. You have to learn the meanings of these particular words, then it will easy for you to understand. Okay guys, so first one is communication. Okay, just know what is it. It is a process of exchanging ideas and feelings. Okay, so next one is internet, next one dolly, then radio, then social media, then next one is email, and last one is mobile phone. I'm not reading the meaning of this particular verse. Okay guys, you just need to read it and understand. You have to learn the meanings of this verse. Okay, if I read and make you understand, this video will be so lengthy. That's why I'm not reading the meaning here. Okay, so let's enter into the worksheet number 1. Here the concept is travel experience. Okay, so from this concept we have given some words which we need to rewrite again by writing the first letter as capital. So first one is telephone. Okay, make sure you have to start the word with capital letter itself. Okay, second word is mobile, third one is postal, fourth word is inland letters, fifth one organisms, and sixth word is envelopes. Okay, so let's see the second Roman, which is draw the post box and color it. Okay guys, you need to draw the post box and color it. Okay, so this is a student activity guys, please do it. Draw neatly and write down the name, that is post office. Okay, so sorry, post box. Okay, now we'll see the third Roman, which is join the dots, color and name the picture. Okay, here one picture is given which is a telephone picture. Okay, so you need to join all the dots, then it will show a exact picture of telephone. After that you need to color it, then you have to name the picture which is a telephone. Okay, so this is also a student activity, please do it by yourself. Okay, got it. Now we'll move to the fourth Roman, which is what is meant by communication. Okay, so answer is communication is the process of transferring ideas and feelings from one person to another person. Okay, this is called communication. Okay, got it guys. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 2. Here the concept is journey of a letter. Okay guys, so from this concept we have given some words which we need to rewrite again. Okay, so let's see. First word is address, second word letter, third word postal index number, PIN, which is also known as PIN. Okay, next location, and fifth word is nation. Okay guys, please write it down neatly without any mistakes. Now we'll see the second Roman, which is types of letters available at the post office. Okay guys, here we need to write down the types of letter. One is already given, which is postcard. Second one is laptop. Then third one inland letters. Okay, these are the three types of letters available at post office. Okay, please pause it and write it down without any mistakes. Again and again I'm telling you guys. Okay, so now we'll see the next Roman, which is arrange the journey of a letter in sequential order. Here 5 pictures are given. Okay, so what is that picture already given in a sentence? Okay, so first picture is reaches the place in a vehicle, then postman brings the letter to our home, third one writing a letter, like that. Okay, 5 pictures are given, and what we have to do, we have to arrange it in a sequential order. Means first what will come, then what will first which action is takes place. Okay, then next action, like that. Okay, so we have to write it down in a sequential order. So first is of course writing a letter, which is C. After that E, posting the letter in a post box. Postman collects the letter. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, after writing the letter we'll just go and put our letter in a post box. Okay, then after that D, sorting out according to the address. Then post office people will just sort out the letters according to the address. After that, A will come, reaches the place in a vehicle. Okay, in a vehicle, postman will come and give the letter to you. Then last, B will come, postman brings the letter to our home. Okay, the order will be C, E, D, A, B. Okay guys, got it? Now we'll move to the fourth Roman, which is what particulars we should write as address on the letter. Okay, answer will be we should write the address of the receiver on the letter. Okay, these address consist of name, door number, village, mandal, district and pin code. Okay, understood? This is the answer for this. Now we'll move to the third worksheet, which is here the concept is mobiles and emails. So from this concept we have given some words which we need to rewrite again. So first word is conference, second word information, third word mobile phone, fourth word document, fifth word laptop, sixth word newspaper, seventh one is population and eighth one is segment. Okay guys, now we'll move to the second Roman, which is write devices used for one-to-one communication. Okay, here we need to write down the devices one-to-one communication. Okay, so first one is TV, second one mobile, third one radio and fourth one is computer. Okay, TV, mobile, radio and computer. Now we'll move to the third Roman, which is how can you use a mobile for your studies? Answer, I use a mobile for online classes, comma, drawing purpose, comma, music, comma, moral stories, comma, Zoom classes, uploading works, etc. Okay, in this way I can use mobile for my studies. Okay guys, understood? Now we'll move to the fourth Roman, which is join the dots and name them. Here we have given four pictures. Okay, so first one is mobile, second one is computer, third one is radio and fourth one is telephone. Okay, what we have to do, first of all we have to join the dots of each picture. Okay, then it will show the particular picture. Then after that we need to color it neatly. Then we have to write down the name. First one is mobile, second one computer, third one radio and fourth one is telephone. Okay guys, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4. Here the concept is mass communication. So from this concept we have given some words which we need to rewrite again. So first word is mass communication, second word radio, third word television, fourth word regular, fifth word internet, sixth word cyclone, seventh word social media, eighth word technology and ninth word is computer. Okay guys, now we'll move to the second Roman, which is name any four means of mass communication. Okay, here we have to write down four means of mass communication. First one is TV, second one newspaper, third one radio and fourth one is magazines. These four are called the means of mass communication. Okay, so in the exam also they will ask you what are the means of mass communication. You have to write down this. Okay, now we'll see the second question, which is write devices of communication that you see in your village or else town. Okay, answer is TV, radio, newspaper, post office, mobile, or the devices of communication that we see in our village or else in my village. Okay guys, now we'll move to the third Roman, which is have you ever listened to a radio? Name some of the programs that you listen. Answer, yes, I listen to the radio. Full stop. News, comma, weather report, comma, sportcast, comma, call-in request show, comma, radio dramas are some of the programs that I listened in radio. Okay guys, this is the answer for this. Now we'll move to the fourth Roman, which is concept advanced communication. In that first question is write a few lines about email. Answer, Emailing is one of the fastest means of transport of the information system. Email can be used for sending letters, files, photos, videos, documents, etc. Okay, this is all about email. Now we'll see the second question, which is write names of social media symbols. Here we have given four symbols of social media. We need to write down what the logo name is. Okay, so let's see. First one is Facebook, second one Instagram, third one Twitter, and fourth one is WhatsApp. Now we'll move to the fifth worksheet, that is here question and answers are given. Just see, first question is what is the means of communication? How many types of communications are there? Answer: communication is the process of transferring ideas and feelings from one person to another. There are two types of communication. One is one to one communication, second one mass communication. Okay, guys, now we'll see the second question, which is mention the ways for a speedy communication. Here you need to write down what are the ways for speedy communication. We have two ways for speedy communication. So answer is first one mobile phone, second one is emailing. Okay. So these two are the ways of speedy communication. This is very important question, guys. Please note it down and just remember this. Now we'll see the third question, which is what are the precautions you should take in the use of mass media? Okay, answer is first point, continuous watching of mobile phones or TV may damage our eyesight. Second point, TV should be seen at a minimum distance of 6 meters. Third point, continuous listening of music with earphones may damage our hearing power. Fourth point, volume of TV, radio, or cell phone must be low. Okay, in this way, we can take precautions by using mass media. Okay, guys, now we'll see the fourth question, which is what questions would you ask the postmaster about the postal services? Answer: first question I'll ask is which services are provided in this post office? Second question will be is money also sent through postal services? Third question, how do we send information quickly by the postal services? By the postal service. Okay, these questions I'll ask to the postmaster. Okay, next fifth question is visit a nearby post office and observe its services in and write a brief note. Answer: first point, dispatch the letters or mail service. Second point, registered post. Third point, money transfer. Fourth point, collecting fee for government jobs. Fifth point, applying for government forms. Sixth point, post office savings schemes. Seventh point, postal life insurance, etc. Okay, these are the services I have observed in nearby post office in my village. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the sixth question. Okay, which is collect information about the uses of cell phones and display it in your classroom. Answer: first point, cell phone is a device which is used to communicate quickly with each other. Second point, to send a short message in an emergency, we use cell phones. Third point, to learn new things through different apps, we use cell phones. Fourth point, it is used for maps, navigation, and travel. Fifth point, it is used for online banking and booking movie tickets. Last point, it is used to e-learning by online classes. Okay, guys, now we'll see the seventh question, which is make a cell phone model using clay or cardboard. Okay, guys, actually this is a student activity. You need to make a cell phone using clay or cardboard. For that, I'll give you the instructions how to do that. Okay, so answer, just write it down and please make it as it is. I have given you here. So material required is two paper cups, one string, and iron nail. Okay, let's see how we can make this cell phone. So first point, take two empty paper cups. Second point, punch a small hole at the bottom of each cup with a nail and put the string to fit through. Third point, pass the edges of the string through the holes of the cups. Fourth point, tie a knot at the end of the string that is inside the cup. Fifth point, place the open end of one cup over our ear and ask our friend to speak at the open end of the other cup. Sixth point, our toy phone is ready. Okay, guys, in this way you can make a cell phone. Please try it. Now we'll see the eighth question, which is write a letter to your friend requesting him to attend a function in your house. Okay, guys, in your house there is a function and you're requesting your friend to attend that function. For that you need to write a letter. Okay, start this friend's name. Okay, here I'm writing Shaker. Okay, you may write it down your friend's name, son of or else daughter of, the father, then door number, then mandal or district. Okay, at last you can write it down your state also. Okay, so after that you just mention my dear friend, comma, then body of the letter. I'm fine and hope the same from you. As you know, my birthday is coming close and my friends have decided to have a grand party. I will be very happy if you also accompany me on that occasion. I am waiting for you. Okay, like that you can write a letter. Okay, guys, this is the answer. At the end, bottom right side, you can write down your name, yours loving friend, and then your name. Okay, in this way, you have to write down a letter. Okay. So please pause the video and write it down without any mistakes. Most of the students will make mistake in writing letters. Okay, now we'll see the assessment 9. Here first Roman is choose the correct answer. First one, we should write the dash of the receiver on the letter. We should write the address B. Second one, through dash we can communicate immediately through mobiles. Third one, continuous listening of music with earphones may damage our dash, may damage our hearing power. So B, C and B. These are the answer for this. Choose the correct answers. Now we'll see the fill in the blanks. First one is dash is the process of expressing ideas and feelings, communication. Second one, the pin code of your village is dash. You have to write down the pin code of your particular village. Okay, no need to copy the same. Okay, third one, the symbols in the mobile phone indicate dash apps, social media apps. Okay, now third Roman is match the following. First one, newspaper, which is printed communication, C. Second one, radio, audio communication, which is B. Third one, television, audio visual communication, which is A. So answer for this match the following is C, B and A. Okay, got it, guys. Now we'll move to the fourth Roman, which is draw and color. Here we need to draw the post box and color it. Okay, so this is a student activity, guys. Please do it by yourself. Okay, please draw neatly post box and color it and write down post box. Label its name means you have to write down the name of that particular picture. Okay, now we'll move to the next Roman, which is answer the following questions. So first question is, what is mass communication? Answer, mass communication is the process of exchanging information through media to large segments of the population. Okay, guys, this is called mass communication. Now we'll see the second question, which is what must an address consist of? Answer, we should write the address of the receiver on the letter. This address consists of a name, comma door number, comma village, comma mandal, comma district and pin code. Okay, guys, up to here your ninth lesson EVS answers are completed. I hope, guys, this video is very helpful. So please do like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. I will clarify your doubt. Okay, guys, thank you so much once again.